Are you ready to unlock the secrets of small living room with big style? Look no further. In today's video, we are diving headfirst into the enchanting world of new modern living rooms with limited space. Picture this. Cozy corners bathed in a natural light, ingenious furniture arrangement that defy gravity. Okay, maybe not gravity, but you get the idea. And color palettes that make your heart skip a beat. Whether you are a city dweller in a snug apartment or a suburbanite with a penchant for chic interior, this video is your golden ticket to transforming your living room into a stylish sanctuary. Hi there, Lolo here. Welcome to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. In this newly uploaded video, we've got 37 design ideas up our sleeves, each one more captivating than the last. From vertical storage solution to mirrors that winks at you, we are leaving no stone unturned. And did we mention the power of textiles? Oh yeah, plush rugs, soft throws, and cushions that practically beg you to sink into their embrace. So grab your favorite cup of tea and join us on this design adventure, whether you are a minimalist, aficionado, or maximalist with a penchant for greenery, there is something here for everyone. Hit the subscribe button because we are about to sprinkle some magic dust on your living room. And remember, size doesn't matter. It's all about the style you bring to the table. Stay tuned, friends. Let's make our living room sing with style, 1 square foot at a time. Let's delve into the detail of this stylish small living room from the image. The room features a cream-colored sofa adorned with a green throw blanket. 2 red accent chairs add the pop of color to the space. A round wooden coffee table sits in the center, providing a functional and stylish focal point. A large area covers the wooden floor, adding textures and warmth to the room. An abstract artwork graces one of the walls. Its warm tones harmonize with the overall color scheme. A wooden console table against another wall holds decorative items, and potted plants add a touch of greenery. The room is brightened by natural light streaming in through floor-to-ceiling windows. These windows offer views of a well-maintained garden outside. The connection with nature is enhanced by glimpses of shade and lush greenery visible through the window. Another stylish living room with compact space. The room exudes a modern and stylish vibe with carefully curated elements that maximize both aesthetic and functionality. Key features includes a large comfortable sofa in a light color perfect for lounging or entertaining guests. To round the elegant coffee table adorned with decorative items and books. Underneath the coffee table and the sofa area, a plush rug adds textures and warmth. A modern armchairs with a curved design positioned near the sofa for additional seating. The room benefits from a large window, flooding the space with sunlight and offering views of greenery outside. Let's step now into a small living room with a chic design. The room exudes a contemporary vibe with its modern furniture and clean lines. Natural light floods the space, creating an inviting and airy atmosphere. A white sofa adorned with beige decorative pillows occupies one side of the room. In front of the sofa, a glass coffee table with metal framing holds books and decorative items. Two orange chairs are strategically placed near floor-to-ceiling windows, offering views of both greenery and the distant city skyline. This small living room strikes a balance between functionality and style, making it an ideal urban retreat. The small living room from the image features two large grey sofas adorned with grey and orange cushions. A black coffee table with reflective surfaces sits in front of the sofa. Two brown leather ottomans are placed near the coffee table, providing additional seating. The floor is covered with an artistic black rug adorned with grey designs, creating a striking contrast. The room's focal point is a panoramic window that spans the entire wall behind the sitting area. This large window floods the room with abundant natural light and offers views of greenery outside. White curtains, partially drawn to one side, frame the window elegantly. Here, you can see a small living room that features a large brown three-seater leather sofa that is plush and comfortable. Above the sofa, there is a large golden painting that adds an artistic touch to the room. A round white coffee table sits in front of the sofa. To the left of the sofa, there is a wooden shelf unit housing various items, including books and plants. A green mid-century modern style chair with wooden legs is positioned near the coffee table. The floor is covered with a soft rug that adds warmth to the space. Large windows reveal an urban landscape outside, filling the room with abundant natural light. And there you have it, design dreamers. As we wrap up this captivating journey through new modern living rooms with limited space, let's raise our metaphorical glasses to cozy corners, color palettes that dance, and furniture that moonlights as art. Remember, your living room isn't just a room, it's a canvas waiting for your creative strokes. Make every square inch count. Stay inspired. Friends, keep dreaming big, styling small, and embracing the magic of limited space. Until next time, this is Grig Stamate signing off. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's keep creating homes that tell stories. Catch you in the next video where we'll decode the mysteries of closets, size kitchens, and bathroom bliss. Keep designing, keep smiling, and keep it stylish. Bye.